Okay guys, ngayon, check natin yung 41.5 square meter na studio unit kay Uptown Arts Residence. So, tara. So, upon entering guys, in your door, naka-smart lock siya, naka-pin, keycard, and fingerprint. So, then, on this side naman, nandito yung video intercom nyo connected to the lobby. And this is your kitchen area. So, cooktop, cabinets, range hood, box type na sink na naka-retractable faucet, kasama na siya. And also, this two-door refrigerator. Check naman natin. Side natin. This side will be your living and dining. And on this side naman yung toilet and bathroom. So, pasok tayo guys. So, floor to ceiling na tiles, this shower, glass partition, and this lavatory, kasama na siya. And dito naman yung sleeping bed niyo. So, itong cabinet and split type aircon, kasama na siya. And itong balcony. So, check natin yung view guys. So, ito yung view nyo guys. May view kayo ng Uptown Bonifacio. And itong building na to is building ni JP Morgan. Pasok ulit tayo guys. So, guys, if you're interested in this studio unit, we offer rent-to-own terms. You only need to pay 10% down payment, we can process your unit. And 60,000 pesos, we can reserve this. So, if you're interested guys, just contact me. Bye-bye!